Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Smash the like button, and also you can follow us on Instagram at Dexter's Possum World.